Are we going to see oil at $20 a barrel?
We're certainly seeing oil in the 20s, and if this kind of panic continues, this financial contagion combined with the virus contagion, we could certainly see oil prices lower. Hadley, I would say that it's not a question of whether a price war is going to begin. It has begun, and that's, as you're talking about this morning. And the backdrop to it all is, of course, the virus itself. That's what really splintered the alliance. In the first quarter of this year, we think at IHS Markit that oil demand is going to be almost 4 million barrels a day lower than it was in the same quarter last year. And that's what got Saudi Arabia and Russia at odds with each other at the end of last week in Vienna. It has now led to this extraordinary collapse.
Do you say President Putin as winning so far?
Well, I think he has shown himself a master judo player on the world scene, and I think there may be a miscalculation as to his position. I think that Russia has built up its reserves again. It doesn't need as high prices. Its industry operates with a depreciated ruble, and he has a more diversified economy, and he's not trying to remake his economy in 10 years. So I think he has staying power. But of course, in a storm of this kind, there will be shocks and unexpected crises and bankruptcies that will shake the system. So we are in another period of true turmoil, and it's, when we've had a financial crisis, it was just a financial crisis in 2008 and 9, but this is now turning into an economic crisis along with a health crisis. And just in the last day, 2 U.S. congressmen, one senator, one congressman have been quarantined, and I think we're going to see a lot more freezing up of economic activity in the United States, not because of economics, but because of the virus. And it goes back to what you've talked about. The fear is now pervasive.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.